Let's begin sitting comfortably on our mat, and go ahead and bring your palms face up on your knees, touching your thumb and index finger. This is Gyan Mudra, and close the eyes. This is a mudra of wisdom, knowledge, bringing a sense of openness, and it's very calming, allowing you to arrive on your mat and go inward. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Arriving here this morning with yourself. Big breath in. Easy breath out. Maybe cultivating an intention for your practice. Setting your day with positive energy. And then bring your palms together at your heart center and take a deep inhale, lengthening the spine. And an easy exhale. Twice more like that. Big breath in. Big breath out. Just sealing your intention right into your heart space. One more big inhale. And easy exhale, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the face, the jaw. Good, and then begin to reach your palms up over your head. Open up the chin. Take a deep breath in. And then bring the arms shoulder width apart. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. Feel your sits bones rooted down. Good, and then on the exhale, walk your hands behind you. Open up the heart, the collarbones. Big inhale. And exhale, crawl it forward, coming into a forward fold here. Finding a gentle sway. And then go ahead and walk your fingertips over to the right. And then back to center. And walk them gently over to the left. Continuing to breathe deeply. Just opening the body nice and slow. And then come back to center and round and curl. Coming up, inhale, reach the arms over your head, palms touch. Exhale, bring them right to your heartbeat. Good, and then keeping that left leg bent, extend the right leg out diagonally. And then bring your right palm on the inside of your leg and just lean on in. Taking your time here to open up the side body. Good, and then reach your right arm all the way up and over the ear. Deep breath in. Big breath out. And just find a little sway here. Maybe you touch the toes. That never has to happen. Just keeping this nice and easy, moving with your breath. And then inhale, take it back up to the center. A little counter twist here. Taking that right palm over to your left knee. And breathe. The spine is nice and long. Beautiful. And then look forward. And switching sides, so go ahead and bend the right knee, extend your left leg out, and then planting that left palm on the inside of your leg, go ahead and lean on in. Take your time, nice lateral stretch on that right side body. And when you're ready, reaching that top arm all the way up, opening up, and then reach the bicep over the ear, reaching towards the toes. Take a deep breath in and a big breath out as you feel the body opening. Maybe you catch a toe. Close the eyes here. A little sway forward and back. Feeling really good. And then inhale, take it back up to center, finding our counter pose, twist. Other side, left hand catches that right knee. Spine is nice and long. And breathe. And then look forward. Good, and then go ahead and finding a downward facing dog. So first finding your tabletop pose. Walk your palms forward, one palm print, tuck your toes, squeeze your belly. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Beautiful, breathe. So feeling really grounded through the feet and through the palms. Go ahead and pedal your feet, opening up the backs of the legs. The tailbone reaching towards the sky. And let your heart, your chest melt towards the thighs. Shoulder blades spinning open. The head and neck relax, shaking them yes and no gently. 3 full breaths here in downward facing dog. Beautiful. And then inhale, come high up on the toes, round and curl it forward to a high plank. A little rock and roll, front and back, left and right. Breathing big. And then drop the heels over to the left, come back to center. Drop the heels over to the right as we continue to keep our gaze in between the palms. A few times like this with your breath, awakening the spine. You may feel some cricks and cracks. That's totally normal. Beautiful, come back to center. Exhale, release your knees and lower your torso between tight elbows. Good, release your palms behind you, interlace your fingers. On an inhale, the spine, the shoulder blades hug the spine as the shoulders, the chest, the heart lift. And then find a little sway here, left and right, breathing big. And then release your hands, reach the arms all the way forward. Find prayer hands, clasp your thumbs together, point your toes. Feeling nice and grounded here, front of the body completely rooted on the earth. And breathe. Beautiful. Release your palms right underneath your shoulders. Inhale, lift to a high cobra, shining your heart forward. Exhale. Hips go back. Balasana, child's pose. Breathe, your forehead is down. And letting everything go. Finding your center here with your breath. Take a deep inhale into the back of the body, the back of the lungs. And exhale right into the earth. And then look forward. Bring yourself right back up into downward facing dog. Beautiful little movement here, finding 3 full breaths here in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Coming back to your breath. Good. And then slowly bring your feet and your hands together in the center of your mat, coming into Uttanasana, forward fold. Catch your elbows. Stay really grounded through the feet and find a little sway, left and right. Shake your head, yes. I will start this day with positive energy. And shake your head, no. I will have no fear. On an inhale, bring your palms on your shins. Come up to a flat back for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold. Again, inhale, open up, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Beautiful. Again, inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, bow to the earth. Inhale, ground down through the feet as we round and curl, one vertebra at a time. Inhale, circle, then sweep the arms all the way up. Exhale, prayer hands come all the way down. Bring your fingertips down. Bring the feet together. Slowly bring your hips all the way down, coming into a Low Yogi Squat. So you can place your palms gently on the thighs or bring your palms together. Touch your thumbs to your heartbeat. Squeeze your belly. Relax the face. And then open up your palms, keeping the thumbs and pinky touching into Lotus Mudra. This is a mudra of receptivity, so receiving. And just visualize positive energy, abundance, prosperity, good health flowing in towards your day. Beautiful. And then bring your palms together and gently bring your seat all the way down, coming into Sukhasana, just lengthening the spine. Find a slight tilt in your chin and come back to your breath. As I read here a little excerpt from one of my favorite books, bring your palms together at your heartbeat. If we talk to anyone or see anyone or even think of anyone, then we have the opportunity to bring more love into the universe. When you know this, when you fully live up to the opportunity to heal, you achieve an energy that pushes you forward in worldly endeavors. That means you attract like a magnet. You don't just attract people, you attract various circumstances that reflect back to you the power of your devotion. Your personal power is not something that is going to reveal itself at some later date. Your power is a result of your decision to reveal it. You are powerful in whatever moment you choose to be. The choice to be used as an instrument of love right here, right now, is a choice for personal empowerment. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms all the way up, and exhale. Touch your thumbs right to your third eye as we say, Namaste.